My name is Justin, and in this video I will be discussing the question set 35. As you know, I have been modifying an ER diagram throughout the question set 31, 32 and 33. In the previous discussion, the question set 34, the discussion of question set 34, in that discussion actually I forward engineered that database, that ER diagram, and inserted there to some of the tables. In this video, I will be discussing the question set 35. Question set 35, it's the same scenario. The bill book system is used to manage the bill details of the shoe stock or earlier shoe center, as this is an inefficient method in terms of managing bill information. The shopkeeper has come to the conclusion of using a computer software for this purpose, and for that computer software, enter the given data to the brand table. Let's insert data to our brand table. So this would be our first query relevant to the first question. Let's execute our first query. As you can see, our brand table is empty. Let's refresh our table. So as you can see, we have inserted our first row. As you can see, I have inserted the rest as well. Let's see the second question. Enter the given data to the product table. Product table. So this should be our first query relevant to the product table. Let's execute it. Let's refresh our product table. As you can see, I have inserted the first row of the product table. I will insert the rest as well. This would be our product table. Let's move on to the third question. Enter the given data to the GRN table. Let's type the relevant query for that as well. So, this should be our first query relevant to the third question. Let's execute it. Let's see. Let's refresh our GRN table. As you can see, I have inserted the first row successfully. This will be our GRN table. Let's see the fourth question. GRN item table. So before inserting there to our GRN item table, you can see there's a column called stock ID. That means we have to insert data to our stock table firstly before inserting data to our GRN item table. So it would be better if we move on to the fifth question before doing the fourth question. So the fifth question, we have to insert data to our stock table using this given data. Let's let's type the first insert query relevant to the fifth question. As you can see, this would be our first query relevant to the fifth question. Let's execute it. Let's refresh our stock table. As you can see, I have inserted the first row of the stock table. I will insert others as well. 30. So this would be our stock table. Let's move on to the fourth question once again. We have to use this given data to insert data to our GRN item table. Let's type the insert query relevant to that as well. As you can see, I have made some changes. I have accidentally made QTY the ID of the GRN item table, so I deleted that column and inserted a new row called QTY. So let's see. Let's say a new table. So this should be our first row relevant to the fourth question. Let's execute it. Let's refresh our GRN item table. As you can see, we have successfully inserted our first row. Let's insert the rest as well. This would be our GRN item table. Let's see our sixth question. Enter the given data to the invoice table. Let's refresh our invoice table. As you can see, I have inserted the first row of the invoice table as well. This should be our invoice table. Let's see the last question, the seventh question. Use the given data to fill the invoice item table. So this would be our first query relevant to the seventh question. Let's execute it. Let's refresh our invoice item table. As you can see, we have inserted the first row of the invoice item table. I will insert the rest as well. So as you can see, I have inserted all of the data relevant to the invoice item table as well. And that would be the end of the discussion of question set 35 as well. Thank you.